Hey everyone, welcome to part 5 of my tire cleaning series. And now we're going to look at waxing your rims. To recap, we've looked at already cleaning your wheel wells, cleaning your tires, cleaning your rims, clay barring your rims, and we looked at different waxes on the car. So now we're going to actually show you how to apply that wax directly on your rim. So no more talking, let's get right to it, shall we? So what do you need to get this job done? This is it, and inside here is an applicator. As you saw in the last video, actually, using a spray wax, a regular car wax, or car polish made no difference whatsoever. It all produced excellent results. But we're going to stick with just using a regular wheel polish right now. We're going to go ahead with that on our test car. But that's all you really need to get this job done. When it comes down to it, waxing your rims is really no different than waxing the rest of your car. It's just applying the polish on, the wax on, leaving it for a minute, and then after it hazes a bit, you then take it off. And although it may seem obvious already, make sure you've cleaned your tires, your rims, you've washed your car, all that it's done. This is in the final stages of your preparation. Let's begin, shall we? So we're going to start by applying our wax. Now the first inclination is to really dig in and get a whole chunk of wax on there. You don't want to do that though, because especially like when you're doing the body of the car, right? You do have, the body lines or anything like that, but that you can actually kind of work around with and it's easy to miss. However, on a rim, you may get wax into here, you get it into the lock, you get it around into the, into the cap, center cap here, and that's very annoying to deal with. So you just want to start off with a light application, nothing too big, and you kind of spread it around. Do it on the outer rim. Make sure you avoid getting on the tire at all. Get it on the tire. You want to make sure you get it off as soon as you can, because it can stain the tire. When it stains the tire, even if you apply a dressing or something, it'll show through. So you want to make sure that's off. Now this takes not very long to haze, so while we're waiting for that to haze over, you can actually begin on the inner parts of the tire. I'll start by just lathering on a little bit all around, and then I'll start working it in. You want to make sure you're doing this in a cool area. You don't want the sun beating down on this. If the sun's beating down, it'll be very hot to touch. The wax will dry prematurely, and it'll give you a lot of issues to get off later on. Now by the time I finish applying to the entire rim, I can actually start buffing it out. As you can see, I've missed any spots. I don't get any in here. There's none in here, nothing like that. Because you did still a solid but a lighter application. You don't want to go too heavy, especially depending on your rim. And as you're going, you're constantly turning the rag around, keeping the same spot. Wax builds up on one spot, and then it starts smearing. So you want to be constantly moving the rag as you go. And then start working on the inner parts next. As you can see, we've completed it there. I kind of stopped, no point in showing you the whole thing. The procedures are all the same. But you can see how it looks there. It looks very, very good. So what you do is afterwards, you just spot check to make sure you've covered all the areas, or you didn't miss any corners, crevices, anything like that make sure everything is covered. Alright, so that's it. Hopefully you've been following through with the entire series. So by now, your car should be clean. Your wheel wells are looking really, really good. Your tires are looking really good, but not quite where they should be yet. But your rims are looking spot on. They're clay barred. They're waxed. They're shiny as they can be. So, as I alluded to before, all that's left now is the tires. So where do you go from here, of course, with the tires? Well, we're going to do two things. And it's going to be part 6 and part 7 in this series. Part 6, I'm going to try a few different tire dressings. There's all sorts of different ones, foam ones, water-based sprays, all sorts of stuff like that for dressing your tires. So we're going to try different ones and see what the results are and how they turn out. And after that, I'm just going to show you some basic tips on how to dress your tires. So make sure to check out those last 2 videos. Hopefully you followed through the entire series and it's been very helpful for you. As always, if there's anything you want to add or something you saw that I did that you could do better, let's build up the community. I want everyone to leave comments. Make sure to do so. If you have anything you disliked about it, make sure to let me know that as well. Leave that in the comments just so I can make the content better. If you do like it though, don't forget to like and subscribe. Help build up the channel too for me, right? Other than that, I want to thank you very much, and I'll see you next video.